be a sign that we're near the end of the move in the rare earth plays. But basically, the two companies that I consider to be the scam companies that are trying to get involved in this, but still have good charts. That is, that they say they're rare earth plays, but it's kind of questionable. CHGS and XING, they both kind of announced that, hey, we're rare earth type plays. But there's been talk that CHDS is more of an oil play. But look at these charts. This weekly chart in XING, the longer term chart in CHDS, they look like they've got room to run. So you can't ignore that. And you have to remember that they might, in fact, be scams. So if you're going to trade them, be aware that we're making bets here. We're not investing in the potential for unearthing vast quantities of these minerals that can do wonderful things. So what we want to look at in CHGS is maybe back above about 470 to 475 or so. That's where this one could get going. I think you look at the 4-day volume weighted average price; it's right around in that area. It's a highly speculative stock. If you're not a day trader, don't go near this thing. And I would say the same is true for XING. And this one really looks the best. This one kind of looks like SHZ did yesterday when SHZ had pointed out, we were breaking the possibility of breaking that 860 level or whatever it was. XING, I think, getting above about 305-ish could really get this thing moving. And again, it's what I consider to be a scam company. Keep that in mind. It doesn't mean we can't bet on it though. It's trades 6.2 million shares a day on average of the last 20 days. Traded nearly 10.5 million shares today. So it's highly liquid. It's got a great looking weekly chart here, and the daily chart you can see it's consolidating on diminished volume relative to what it went up on. And if you look at that 10-minute time frame, you get above it's holding above the 5-day moving average. You get it above about 305. This is the type of stock that could go significantly higher throughout the day if it would start, if you bought 305, let's say, or you bought 3, if it got up to 320, 330, 340, I would consider selling partial out. Do not let greed get the best of you on these things just because some of the other ones have moved. Again, it's the garbage ones that look the best right now. That's a warning sign for the rest of this group. But if they move higher, let's take advantage. We're here to make money, not to pass judgment necessarily on whether it's a good investment